Hello, my name is Kim Salonen from Multi-Brackets Europe AB. Welcome to the ISO 2020 show. Multi-Brackets presents Pro Series. We have a rail, we have strips, and we have mounting solution. With these three components we can create almost everything. Wall mount, basic wall mount. We can make ceiling mounts, and we can make floor mounts, and we can also make floor to ceiling, different types of installations. If we go over here, we also can create from wall and also back-to-back installations. Pro Series is a modular series, and that means that you can create almost everything with it. Please visit us at www.multibrackets.com.